Between 1811 and 1812, a series of powerful earthquakes struck the New Madrid region, shaking parts of the Midwest with unprecedented force. The quakes were so intense that they reportedly caused the Mississippi River to flow backwards, creating temporary waterfalls and forming new lakes. Homes were destroyed, landscapes transformed, and the quakes were felt as far away as New York and Boston. The New Madrid earthquakes remain some of the strongest recorded in the continental U.S., a reminder of the unpredictable power of nature. Subscribe for more extraordinary events from history.